you, dear Lord, for this wonderful day that you have given us. We thank you for our parents. We thank you for our teachers. We thank you for the children. We pray for those people who are on the way coming back to school, dear Lord Father. May you give money to our parents.
We are grateful that most of you have brought the children on the very first day of the term. That shows us that we're working together this term. I am proud of Victorious. Proud my daughter has been at Victorious from P1 to P3, and the teachers have been very supportive. They have been a backbone. Some of us, the parents, are too busy, but the teachers have tried to nurture values, to nurture manners.
We want to thank God for all that has been done to make sure that we open for the new term. We are really so expectant to see great things happen in this second term.
I pray that you bless my teachers and everyone that's in Victorious Primary School.
The reason why I chose this school, I know this school helps to bring up a wholesome person.
Okay.
A person who is not only focusing on academic,
Yes.
but a person who knows God. I think that's why even the school is God is able.
Yes.
The person who is even well behaved.
Together, everyone achieves more. Can you say that? Together, everyone achieves more.
Made a wonderful choice of coming back to Victorious Primary School, in particular, Divine Campus.
And I want to welcome all the new children who came to Victorious in term 2. I want to pray that everyone has a successful term 2.
Personally, I'm pleased and I'm very happy and looking forward as we start the new term today that learning will not stop. You're just going to add knowledge to what you already have. And of course, as a parent, success is what we always look for.
As a school, we believe in God, we trust in God, and we believe that God has already started this term with us and He has already gone ahead of us to level the ground for us. So we believe everything is going to be a success, because where God is, there is success, there is victory.
Tweener Shots.